Python dictionaries. A dictionary is represented by the dict, D-I-C-T object type. A dict maps unique keys to values. A key is like the word name or any other string that you wish to use to identify the values in the dictionary. A key can be any immutable type, such as a number, string, list element, or tuple. A value describes the data associated with a key. A value can be any type. When a programmer creates a dictionary, they use braces to enclose the keys with their associated values that comprise the dictionary content. The key is identified using the string literal A, then a colon is placed after the key. The value 4 is placed after the colon. Additional key value pairs can be added with comma delimiters. In this code, dict1 equals A:4 and B:3. Grade equals B. Print the string literal dict A, dict A, having the key A in quotes within brackets. Print the string literal dict B, dict grade, having the variable grade within brackets. Since the string literal B was assigned to the variable grade, the value of grade will be used as the key. And the program output will be as follows.